Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's video, I would like to show to you how do I make this design on Canva application. And now let's go to the tutorial. First, you need to make a new design like this. And then you need to add the picture that you want to edit. For example, I will use this image and then adjust the size of the image and try to fit the image onto the page like this. And after that, click elements button and scroll down, and on the frame you need to type, for example, because it's a chicken, so I will type the C and try to find the C frame like this. After that, adjust the size of the frame like this. After that, duplicate the image and then try to put it on the frame like this. Now on the frame, you need to adjust the size and the position and try to put it as same as the background like this. Then click done, and after that on the frame you need to duplicate it one more time and then adjust the brightness and decrease the brightness like this. And after that you need to backward the position of the duplicated frame. And after that double tap and then adjust the image one more time as same as the background like this. After you finish, click done, and now on the first frame you need to add a border like this. For example, I will use this thickness, and after you finish doing it, click the background and then click Magic Studio and then click BG Remover. And after finish doing it, you need to save this project like this and change the type of the file onto PNG. And after that, you need to download the design. After you finish download it, open a new page and then add the design that you already saved before. This design, add to the page, and after that adjust the size of it. And now you need to change the background color. For example, I will use a gray color like this. And on the design that you already add, don't forget to remove the background. Wait for a moment, and then after you finish, remove the background, duplicate the design, and then you need to flip it like this and adjust the position of these two designs like this. After finish doing it, add a shape. Go back and add a shape like this, and then change the color of the shape into a gradient color like this, and go back one more time. And now you need to adjust the gradient color onto the second, and then adjust the black gradient color to make it much more transparent like this. After finish, adjust the size one more time, and after you finish doing it, and this is the result from the image. That's the way how you to do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.